Good morning, children. How are you doing? I hope all are fine and taking care of yourself and wearing the mask and sanitizer. Okay, and today I'm taking the mathematics again where I left in a previous class. In a previous class we were started the warm-up syllabus, means we were dealing with the warm-up syllabus. Okay, and where until means up to 6 questions I had solved where the fill in the blanks were there, and today I will continue with the 7th question where they had saying, that is, count by making the groups of tens and ones. Okay, they are given the different dogs, different types of the dogs they are given, and they are saying count by making the groups of tens and ones. So first I will take here. Okay, everyone have the textbook, right? Just count what are the similar dogs are there, and here this dog and this dog are there. So first group will be, I just take here tens and ones they are asking. Okay. Okay. First I am taking these white dogs. Okay. And here it will be only 2. So in tens, no, only ones place it is 2. Okay. And the next one, that is dotted dog is there. Dotted dog. How many of the dotted dogs are there here? This one and this one. And any dotted dogs are there? No. Again it will be only 2. Then in ones place it will, tens place it is 0, and in ones place it will be 2. And the next one I will be taking this dog where it is having a tongue, as a tongue is outside of its mouth. Any other dogs are there like this? Check it. No, only one dog is there. So just 1. When in tens place it will be 0. And the next one, okay, and this one is over. And next one, this is where it is having a black and red locket. Okay, next here one more, and here it is 1, right? Here and here. Then how much? 2 dogs are there. And next, after that, here one more dog is there where it is having a yellow locket, 1, and one more it is 2. 1 and 1 it is 2. Next. Okay. And this is over, this is over. And next one is, okay, here one more dog is there where it is a yellowish brown color. Okay, whether this type of a dogs is there anywhere? No, then it will be only one dog. One dog. And after that, dotted dog is over, and this is also over. And now here one more dog is there, right? Where it is some brown color with the white strips, and here this one and this one. 0 and 1. Okay, and now this one already over, and this is also over, and this is also over. And now we left with this gray color dog. Anywhere is there gray color dog? No, only one. Okay, now how many dogs are there? Just count them in tens place and in ones place. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One more is, just count them. How many dogs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, somewhere we left. Okay, here this dog. I said 2, but I have written here 1. Okay, and now count. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Means in ones place it is 1, and in 3, and in tens place it is 13. In Ones place it is 3 and in tens place it is 1. So here what you are writing in the column they have given as a T and O, just write as 3 and 1. Okay. And the next, turn the page number 6. Where the warm up they have given you one more example by giving the stars. By giving the stars, just count them. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So they are given one more. B equal to, again they have given tens and ones place. How many stars were there? That is 16. 16 means, and how we are writing? 10 plus 6, right? But here in a ones place which number will come? 6, and in ones place it is, in tens place it is 1. In ones place you are writing as a 6 and tens place ಏನಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ 1. Okay. Next one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡಿ 13 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, 10 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 10 ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರೆದ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 ಬಂತು. 16 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 16ನ 10 ಮತ್ತು 6 ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 because we are reading the 16, right? So okay, next we are going for the next one, 8th one. Okay, 8th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಒಂದು. Okay, like this, and they are given some numbers. 8 only 16, 3, 1 and 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಲರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ? 3? ನೋ. 5? ನೋ. 1? ನೋ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 16. ದೆನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. 5, 3, 10 and 13. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ 3, 5, 10, 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 is the greatest number. Just fill it with the any color. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ 3, 5, 10, 13 ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಅವ್ರು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮ್ದು? ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಅದನ್ನ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? 9, 11, 18 and 17 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6, 20, 19 and 15. 6, 20, 19 and 15. ಯಾವುದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? Yes, it is 20. Just color that part. Okay, and the next one, write the following numbers in increasing order. Increasing means ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 7, 16, 20 and 17. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. they have given cups, like they have given in a ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದನ್ನ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 7, 16, 20, 17. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 7, ಹೌದು. ಸೊ 7 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 17 ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 14, 17, 20 ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ 16, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 7ಗಿಂತ 16 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 16 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು 17, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 17 ರೈಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7, 16, 17 and the next one is next number is 20, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ that is the greatest number and smallest number. Okay, next one more they have given B, 12, 11, 6 and 3. Okay, already they have given a heart shaped and fill this with the numbers where the smallest number right here and some more increased number, increase and increase. So first ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6, 11 and 12. Okay, next one ಇದಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ್ರಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ that is 10th one. Write the following numbers in decreasing order. What? Decreasing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಳಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Means from biggest number or greatest number to smallest. Decrease ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು number. Okay, and the number they have given the house. How they have given the shape of the house where it is going to be decreased. Okay, and they have given the first question is A is 12, 15, 3 and 19. So which is the greatest number here? ಯಾವುದು greatest number? ಯಾವುದು greatest number? That is 19. Then write here 19. Because decreasing order means from the greatest number to smallest number. And after that 19, which is the smallest number? 19. After 19, it will be 15. Means decreased here. The number is decreased. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 15. After 15, the 12 will be decreased than 15. And the last one is 3. Last one is 3. Means from greatest number to smallest number. Okay, and the next one they have given. I hope you are getting. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Decreasing order and increasing order. And the B they have given 7, 6, 13 and 15. So they have given a carom boards, right? Here in diagram they have given carom boards. I hope people play carom boards in your home. Okay, and here which is the carom board is bigger, smaller, smaller and smaller. That means what? Decreasing order means from greatest number to smallest number. So in this number, which is the greatest number? Obviously it is 50. So write 15. Next one is decreased 13. Next 7. Next 6. Okay, 15, 13, 7, 6. Okay, these are the number you have to write in your boards, carom boards. Okay, next one. Next warm-up is add the following. Addition means the number they have given, add. The first one is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. You already know that how you are going to add, right? Just if you don't know, just I'll show you. That is 5 plus 3. How much? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 will be answer is 8. Okay, I hope everyone know. And next one is 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2. Everyone know the addition, right? 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1. Nothing is there. 1 plus 0 will be always 1. How much? Answer will be 18. Okay, next one 4 plus 0. Next one 4 plus 0. Whatever we are adding to the 0, we are going to get the same number, that is 4. Okay, 0 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್. Okay, 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, minus 5 plus 0 is always minus 5, like this. Okay, and the next one 1 more than 5. 1 more than 5. 1 more than 5 means 5 plus 1 more. That means answer will be 6. Answer will be 6. Next 6 and 1 more. 6 and 1 more. That is 6 plus 1. That is 7. That is 7. And next one, how many are left means now you did the addition. Next one is left, they are asking that the subtraction. That is subtraction. Okay, I hope you noted down. Okay, note down ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ just pause ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, next here, how many smileys are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here it will be 2. Okay, 7, and they are given hyphen, that is minus. In 7 means 7 minus 2 smileys or 2 moons. You can consider this as a moon also. 7 minus 2, it will be how much? 5. First one 7 minus 2 is how much? It will be 5. Okay, because 7 smileys or 7 moons, whatever you want to call them, call it is. Okay, just subtract them. Next files they have given. One, how count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6, how much should be deducted? 1. That is second one, 6 minus 1, how much? 5. That is 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files or books are there. In that, deduct 1. How many left? 5. If consider here 5 files were there. In that, I have taken 1. ನಾನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 5 ಉಳಿತು. Okay, and there it is 5. And next one, compare the pattern. Compare the pattern means now you have to draw the pattern. What they are given? That is one smiley. Okay, one is shocking smiley, one is angry smiley, right? And here you have to complete the pattern. They are saying complete the pattern. The next one, what it will come? One yellow and one is purple smileys are there. So one, draw one more smiley here. Okay, and one more. Just draw this. Okay, fill this up, purple and this yellow. Just complete, means repeating. Means complete the pattern means just see here, one yellow, one purple, one yellow, one purple, one yellow, one purple, and here what it will come? One yellow, one purple smileys. Okay, just draw this and fill this with the colors. Fill this with the colors. Next one is, next pattern is one bottle, one glass, one glass. Means 2 glasses, 1 bottle, 2 glass, and here after 1 bottle, how many bottles are there? 2 bottle and 2 glasses. 2 glasses. Then here one bottle again they have given. What it will come here? 2 glasses. That is first one bottle, 2 glasses, again 1 bottle. Okay, like this also you can consider 1 bottle, 2 glasses, 1 bottle, again 1 bottle, 2 glasses, 1 bottle, and here again draw that is 1 bottle and 2 glass. Again 1 bottle, 2 glasses and 1 bottle. Okay, just draw. Means this is also one group and this is also one group. Okay, and the next one here, the next one they have given as a numbers. What they have given? The numbers as repeating 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. What it will come? 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. See, they have given 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10 and they have given like this. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. Again here 5, 10, here also 5, 10, here also 5, 10. Means the pattern ಅಂದ್ರೆ same things ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, repeat ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and the next one, that is measure the following by using the sharpness and write which is the longer. Means I hope you have a sharpener. Okay, use that and measure the length. In your home pencils are there and belt is also there. Just whichever is the longer than dash. They have asked the question, the dash is longer than the dash. Means which is longer? The belt is longer than pencil, right? So write the belt is longer than the pencil. What you will write? Yeah, I hope you are understanding. Next one, they have given 14th one. They have given one pencil and one belt. Okay, you can easily say that which is longer belt. Okay, belt is longer than the pencil. They have asked the same thing. The dash is longer than the dash. The answer is the belt. BLT, belt is longer than the pencil. Okay, next one, that is here the dash is longer than the dash. Here one box they have given and one carrot. Which is longer here? The dash is longer than dash. Here two items are there. One is box and one is your carrot. And here you can take it as a lunch box also. Okay, and the box or a lunch box. Okay, second A is and this is B. The box you can write as a lunch box if you consider as a lunch box. The lunch box is longer than the carrot. The carrot means comparing. They are just comparing the items. Okay, and here next tick the one that is heavier. Tick one that is heavier. Heavier means what? If I take the one, if I take here, it is a pencil. Okay, and here which is heavier? The pencil is heavier? No, pencil is a lighter and this is heavier than this pencil. But if I take one marker and two marker, one side is, now both are same because both are the markers having the same weight. But here if one marker and two marker, if consider here I am having a one marker and you are having a two marker, which is the heavier? Yes, it is a heavier because it is having a 2 in numbers and here I am having a 1 in number. Okay, and the same here, that is tick. Which one is heavier here? They have given 3 apples and here they have given, count it, how many apples are there? Here 3 and here 3 plus 3, 6. Which is heavier? This one is heavier. Just tick, right mark. Just they are asking you to tick, just tick this. And next one, that is book and pencil box. Which is heavier? The pencil book, the pencil box or a book? Yes, it is a heavier. So tick mark for this book. Okay. And the next one, they are asking you which is greater. Which is greater. Okay. Next warm up, that is 16th question. See, 15th already I said you. The apple which are in 6 numbers, that is a heavier, right? And the book is heavier, just a tick mark like this. Okay, already shown you. Okay, and the next one, warm up, that is which is greater in 18 and 1. Which is greater? Greater number is 18. In this 2, which is greater? Yes, it is 18. Next one is B, 23 and 33. Which is greater? Yes, answer is 33. And C, 42 and 46. Which is greater? 42 or 46? Yes, it is 46. Okay. Now they have given you with the sign. They have shown which is greater. Just they have shown in a comparison. 18 is greater than 12, right? So the crocodile mouth is open where number is greater, and here fill this with the, here it will be, I just write here. Okay, what, where it is, the crocodile mouth is open at 33. And here the crocodile mouth is open to the, sorry, it will be, okay, here like this. 23 is lesser and 33 is greater. That's why the crocodile mouth should be open at the 33. And here the number is 42 and 46, but here they are saying which is the greatest in this, that is 46. Write 46 here, and here it is 42. Okay, I hope you are getting clear. And the next one, that is add or subtract. There are 15 white sheep and 3 black sheep. Add or subtract they are asking. There are 15, which 17, A, 15 white sheep. White sheep how much? 15, and black sheep is 3. Black sheep is 3. On a form, how many ships are there in all? Therein, how many ships are there in all? Means first one we are adding. They are asking you totally how many ships are there. Then just add them. 15 plus 3. How many ships are there totally? 18. The first one we are doing the addition. And the next one, there are 12 pencil boxes. There are 12 pencil boxes. And Anna loses 3 of them. Anna you can call, it is Anna. 3 pencil boxes lost. Lost means just I lost them. If you are having a 5 mangoes, in that if you lost 2 mangoes, how many mangoes you remained with? If you have a 5 mangoes, then 2 mangoes are lost. Then how many mangoes you are having? 3. The same way, there are 12 pencil boxes were there. In that, Anna loses 3 pencil boxes. That means how many left? 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3. Here you are going to subtract. In 12, if I taken 3, how many pencil boxes left? 9 pencil boxes left. Okay? Okay. And the next 18 will do in a next. If possible, take the help of your parents. That is, do count how much money is there in each box. That is here 100 is there, 50 is there, 10 is there, 5. How much? 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 10, 160, 165. Right here 165. and here 50 plus 50, 2 are there, then it will be 100, and 10 plus 10 it is 20. Here 100 plus, sorry, 50 plus 50, 100, and here 120 is there, then 100 plus 20, 120, 120 plus 10 is 120 plus 10 is 130, 130 plus 2, 130 plus 2 is 132, and 2 more is there, 134. Write as a, here 165, here it's a 134. Okay. Next one, that is warm up syllabus is there, but you can do with the taking the help of your parents. That is, with the help of your parents, complete the below, then answer the following questions. Okay, already I hope your parents are there with you, so just take this and complete, hold this. Okay, in next class I'll start with the your first portion, that is patterns. You will enjoy learning. Okay, until then, take care. Okay, thank you.